welcome to another episode of Riding and Wrenching. I am your host, Q, the Rider. And in today's episode, I want to share with you an exciting new upgrade that I've done to my 2018 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. And I've decided that, again, I'm going to keep this bike for a long time. My plan is to put 400,000 miles on it, and I wanted a different look. So I've started blacking out my bike. So as you can see, I have black handles on my tour pack. I've changed out the luggage rack. All the hardware is now black. I've changed out my heat shields for the exhaust. I've gone with the Kahuna collection for my footboards and my heated hand grips. And I've also put on KST 14-inch black handlebars. But I couldn't do all of that work without changing out my exhaust system. So I want to give a special thanks to the folks at Tab Performance for hooking me up with these 4.5-inch Tab BAM mufflers, badass mufflers. So I just want to show these to you really quick and we'll talk about them. And I'm going to compare them and talk about how they're different than my Cobra neighbor haters, what I like and what I don't like. Okay, let's take a close look at my mufflers. Look at that. They really look amazing. The thick rim around the outer edge of the tip. That's what I really like about these mufflers. It just gives it a nice modern look. And I like the slash tip. And I turned them that way so that they would match the angle of my saddlebags. Now I don't have the stretched bags on this bike, as you can see. Otherwise, I think I would have gone with the 50 cal mufflers, but I thought the 4.5 looked pretty good on this bike. Just gives it a nice, cool, modern look. These are the current mufflers that I have on my bike. These are Cobra neighbor haters. We'll take a look from the side. And that's what we're trying to get away from. It looks kind of silly being like that. We have the black heat shield and the chrome mufflers. All right, so this is what we got from Tab. So let's open it up and see what we have there. Wow, holy crap. Look at the size of that thing. Jesus. And that looks good. Packaged very well. Now the one thing I will tell you, learning from experience, when you have something black like this that's wrapped in plastic, I'm going to leave the plastic on most of it until I get them installed. This way I don't scratch them up. So that's one. I made that mistake with my handlebars. Took the plastic off a little bit too soon, and I got scratches on them. All right, there we go. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and remove the old mufflers, and we'll get started. Oh, success. We got one off. Ugh. Oh wow, that was easy. Okay. All right, the next thing we'll do is just quickly compare the size of the muffler. So that gives you a good idea of the difference between my Cobras and the Tabs. I'm gonna do a slash mount like that. I like the way that looks. There we go. One more quick comparison. really good. So this one will go on, looks like the right side of the bike. All right, so we'll just slide it in place. All right, so that's all I have. Again, just make sure that if you're going to order some of these tab mufflers, tell them you heard about it here on Riding and Wrenching. This is Q. I'm riding, I'm wrenching, and I am out.